The largest increase in the defence budget in the history of the state has just been announced. This will result in the defence budget rising from 1.1 to 1.5 billion, allowing for the required substantial transformation of and investment in recruitment and equipment that have long been identified. An additional 2,000 personnel over and above the current establishment of 9,500 will be recruited. Some specific initiatives include the immediate commencement of planning for military radar capabilities and the establishment of an Office of Reserve Affairs with the priority objective of developing a regeneration plan for the Reserve Defence Forces. This action plan makes a very clear commitment about our ambition to help transform our defence forces into a modern military force with the appropriate resources and, most importantly, a pay structure that respects our military men and women.